Drummers, come. I will not beat you. See the way I was crying? Because of your noise. You play too loudly. You can't even hear other instrumentalists. Why? Because you are too loud as a drummer. Talented, gifted, and anointed, I know. But you play too loudly. You have to play underneath and accompany the lead vocalist. Whenever you play and you can't hear other instrumentalists, at that moment you are making a noise. Make a sound, not a noise. You can do better. And God will help you in Jesus' name. Gonit is coming 4.0. You must be there. And subscribe to the channel for more of these and many more. God bless you.